Our next stop to the restaurant. It's a 10 minutes ride to the restaurant. So we went to Amano Hashidate Kasamatsu Park. So we're eating in a Japanese restaurant now. We have a souvenir coupon that we can use. So kids, these are the menu. We're gonna order the sushi set. And then we're gonna order some recommended. Okay, we'll just order. Turo-turo tayo kids. Point.
Ito day.
Kids, yung tea dito sa labas. Kita mo yung nakalagay na shui. Ayan, yan yung barley tea, yan yung brown tea. Free ito sa likod. So you just get as much as you like. Guys, yung isa dyan, tinan mo, mukha ng zombie. Guys, mukha ng zombie. Di, try mag-alcohol. Allergic naman sa alcohol. Ngayon mukha na siyang zombie. Ito yung shop natin dito. We went here. So that's their menu there. Shit, this is like a small grocery store. Tinry natin yan. Parang ano siya. That is Tsukudani. Kids, there's live snow crab there. First time I saw snow crab live. Kids, there's live snow crab here. First time seeing one. It's a live one. Just beside us. Oy, bad mood. Okay ka na? Ha? Miss bad mood. Yung mga taga-bundok dyan, kumuha na kayo. Oh, yun o.